Hey Google, turn on the fan.
Okay, Deepak sir, turning on the fan for you.
Hey Google, turn on the light.
Okay, Deepak sir, turning on the light for you.
Blue light turns on, yellow light turns on, and green light turns on. Hi dear, this is Tutor Deepak Kumar and I hope you all are doing well. You all are always excited of doing something creative and innovative in your life. So to boost your creativity, I am here with Google Smart Home Automation course. In this course, we learn to control all the electrical appliances of your house, such like bulb, fan, TV, AC, fridge, just by clicking the button in your smartphone, or just by saying hey Google, turn on the light, your light will turn on. Hey Google, turn off the fan, your fan will turn off. Hey Google, turn on the television, your television will turn on. It's look amazing, but surely you will make, by the end of the course you will make this project. I will teach this course from basic level to advanced level, so don't need to worry about your previous skills. You might not have any skills in programming, you might not have any skills in hardware and software, anything. You don't care about that. I will teach from basic level to advanced level. Okay, I will be with you through this course. If you will have any problem, then I will reply to everyone. If you are willing to make this project in your home, then please join our course. And after joining, you will have the access to all our video lectures, and similarly you will have access to our assistant also. If you have facing any problem in this course, we will guide you certainly, and you will guide you throughout the course, and this course will be for your lifetime. So don't worry, you can access this course anytime, anyway. So thank you